Recently, Russian forces in the Kursk region have deployed a new type of drone, which is guided not by radio signals, but by optical fiber. These quadcopters are equipped with a spool of optical fiber that unravels as the drone is launched. The cable remains attached to the drone, but not to the remote, because at long distances, it would be difficult for the drone to pull the cable. Instead, the cable is laid out as the drone moves forward. Despite seeming old school for not being wireless, these drones have significant advantages. They are immune to jamming, and there are no early warning signals from them. Moreover, the video feed is of high quality, with high frame rates. These drones have been shown to inflict serious damage on Ukrainian armored vehicles. In one video, a drone attacks a Stryker vehicle equipped with long-range reconnaissance sensors. The vehicle appears abandoned by the roadside, possibly hit by a mine or another drone. In another video, a tank is targeted from behind. The drone can be seen flying slowly toward the tank, and although a pickup truck briefly comes between the drone and the tank, the drone stays locked on its target. Despite the presence of jammers and electronic warfare sensors on the pickup, the drone remains unaffected and completes its mission. In a third instance, an armored car from the Ukrainian army is struck while it is recovering a disabled BMC Kirpi. The drone hits the vehicle directly at the window. Although these drones are more expensive than their radio-controlled counterparts, they are still cost-effective compared to guided anti-tank missiles. Their ability to engage targets beyond the line of sight adds to their value. In the fourth scenario, a drone targets a pickup truck. The drone ascends slowly before moving smoothly toward the vehicle. Despite being spotted by the crew, who stopped the vehicle, they did not exit. The drone struck the front windshield. In all four cases, these drones attacked armored vehicles. One notable observation is that these drones are slower compared to radio-controlled ones, which allows more reaction time. However, so far, Ukrainian forces have not claimed to have successfully shot down any of these drones.